Heyo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those that do not know, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated online premium educational platform that is available today. And at True Trading Group, results matter. Because they matter, we've got one simple goal. That's to help you guys to learn, trade, and profit. If you are new, make sure you like and share this video, but most importantly, make sure you're subscribed to this channel because 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live totally for free right here, where myself, other pro traders from True Trading Group, and special guests drop golden nuggets and provide you with free lessons that are going to help you become better traders. All right. But why should you listen to anything that I share with you on these live streams? I share with you guys a lot of education, a lot of free lessons. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I began my career working for a fund in New York City, my first job right out of college. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession, the housing market crisis, the stock market crash. But it was during that time period that I went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. But aside from that, and perhaps even more important, since 2016, my team and I at True Trading Group have helped thousands of retail traders from all walks of life, from literally all over the world, achieve peace of mind from financial freedom by teaching them how to trade stocks, options, and crypto. At TTG, we teach you how to fish. We teach you how to stand on your own 2 feet. Despite what many of you may have heard or read about online, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not gambling. It's a skill. It's a skill that, if learned the proper way, like any other skill, right, it needs to be learned properly. But this is a skill that potentially could change your life. It could help you achieve financial goals that you guys never thought were possible, and that's not an exaggeration. Tonight's live stream is going to go down as follows. We're going to start things off with about a 15, 20-minute Q&A. I'm going to give some time for people to log on. We're going live early tonight. Typically, we go live 7:30 p.m. Eastern. We're live tonight, 5:30 p.m. Eastern. All right, so I'm going to give some time for people to log on, all right, ask some questions. I'm here for you. Then we're going to spend just a couple of minutes talking about the TTG membership to the platform. TTG is a platform. It's not just about a trade. It's not just about trade alerts in a chat room. There's a platform. I'll talk to you guys about that briefly. Then we're going to talk about how to make money when a stock crashes. We're going to go over Tesla. What's going on with Tesla? Is Elon Musk selling? Is he not selling? Is he done? Does he have more? What's going on? There's a lot of rumors that are circulating right now. We're going to unpack it all. We're going to talk about it. But congratulations to my TTG members. A 70% gain on Tesla put options from Friday's entry to this morning. Beautiful trade. Congratulations, guys. I took profits on that swing trade because we have these rumors going on about Elon Musk. Is he done selling? Is there going to be a direct offering? What's going on? We'll talk about that. We'll unpack all of it. I'll tell you guys how I plan on trading at this point moving forward. But congrats on the 70% gain on those Tesla puts. Then for those that are interested, I will walk through the entire TTG platform. I'll show you it. I'll show you what's included. I'll show you the tools, the resources, the courses. Again, it's a platform. All right. There's so much more to True Trading Group than just trade alerts and a chat room. And for those of you that are interested, I'll show you it later on in the live stream. So listen up, listen good. We're about to start that Q&A. All right. Start typing your questions right now in the chat. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. There's no such thing as a stupid question. The only thing that is stupid is to have a trader with about 17 years of experience say, hey, ask me a question, and you not ask it. So go ahead right now, guys. Begin typing your questions in chat right now, and let's begin that Q&A. Mike, do you think Penn is forming a reverse head and shoulders? Ooh, good question, Alex. Let's take a look. No, I do not. No, I do not. I do not believe Penn is forming a reverse head and shoulders. No, I do not. If anything, this looks more like a bear flag. Anything that looks more like a bear flag, you've got resistance here at that 62 prior support. We've broken beneath it. Your next support I see is down there around 52, 53. That's where I would be looking for there to be a potential level of support. Okay, I don't see an inverse head and shoulders on Penn. No, but it looks like we do have some more downside. Is there more downside to DraftKings? Janelle, guys, congrats on the DraftKings short. Congrats on the DraftKings short. Is there more downside? It looks like it. Just like same thing with Penn Gaming. Looks like we have downside. You actually had some downgrades on DraftKings. You had some price prediction or price target adjustments from a couple different firms today. Let me see. UBS cut DraftKings price target to 44 from 64. They have a neutral rating. They have a bunch of insider sells. Oppenheimer cut their price target from 80 down to 70. Deutsche Bank cut their price target from 51 down to 46. This is about a week ago, those two. But UBS's price cut was today. All right, now I believe that there is more downside in DraftKings. We just broke below a key level of support. In my opinion, this 41 area right there, we broke beneath it. I think your next level is a gap fill, which is right where we're almost down there. 37.50 is your gap fill, 37.50, and then more major support at 35. And that's where I think you can get a nice little bounce on DraftKings. Like, I think the bulk of the move to the downside is in, but I do think there is more room to go. Congrats, guys, on those of you that followed the DraftKings swing trade idea. This is a textbook head and shoulders. I will just draw this out for you. This is a textbook head and shoulders pattern. I will draw it out for all of you that are watching at home. There is your neckline. Okay, here is your left shoulder. Here is your head. And here is your right shoulder. Okay. Good one, Adam. Very nice. Very nice. Good one. You guys can see it. And there's the support on your neckline. Okay. So this is a very clean head and shoulders pattern. And then you'll see once we broke beneath that headline, that neckline right there, you can see the new downtrend ensued. So congratulations, those of you that caught that DraftKings short on that swing trade idea. We've talked about it in TTG for the last going on about 2 weeks now. Congrats to those that hit it. Janelle, congrats. What are your thoughts on GAN? Are still long-term? Jade, I still have it in my long-term. I have not added to it. I have no intentions on adding to it. There was a delay with some release of some of their products. I am not adding to that. It's a starter position. I have not gotten to a true size position yet. I'm down on this position. It's actually one of the few positions in my long-term portfolio that I'm currently down on. But I have no intention on adding to it yet. It's too early. Company's too early. Company's too young. I need to see. I'm not adding to this based on price. I would only add to it based on something fundamental progression within the company. You add to well-established companies based on price. Apple, PayPal, NVIDIA, add to those companies based on price. You don't add to a young, small company that has not yet proven itself. Don't add to those companies based on price. I add to those companies based on fundamental progression within their business plan. Have not seen it yet from GAN. Do you think Disney will recover sooner or later from the recent drops? Yes, I do. I don't know, your time frame of sooner than later may be different than mine. I don't think that Disney is going to recover this in the next week, but I do think in the next couple of months, yes, Disney will recover. And I do think that Disney goes back up into the 170s and then chops around in this mess. All right. Disney's got a mess of congestion in the 170s. It looks like we may, we filled this gap down here, 158. That's your gap fill. We filled it. Maybe we get a bounce off that level. That would be ideal. If you break below that and violate that, then there's more room to the downside to 152. But I do think that Disney holds in the low 150s and then makes a move back up into the 170s sooner rather than later. Hey, all, just the courses that you can do for the $3 trial are so. Dirty Fox, what's up, man? Dirty Fox. I think you just joined the trial yesterday. if I'm not mistaken. Dirty Fox, I believe you asked a question yesterday on the live stream and just became a trial member. It's one of the main factors of me considering membership. Today was a fun and exciting. Yes, first day. I should have read the rest of your comment. Sorry. I should have read the rest of your comment. Dirty Fox, welcome to the family. Yeah, guys, we have a 1 week trial with the membership. It's only $3. Dirty Fox was on the live stream last night, asked a question that I actually put up on the screen. We answered it. We went over it. A lot of the members were actually interacting with that question as well. A lot of our members, you'll see, if you guys ask questions, a lot of our members will come to the plate. They'll come to the table. They'll answer those questions for you. We have a very, very supportive group and family at True Trading Group. It's not just myself and the rest of the team. It's the members themselves. The family members of True Trading Group are there to help and support one another. And you will notice that even in chat, even on the live streams, if somebody asks a question and a moderator or myself does not see it, members will come flying in and members will answer those questions. And you can tell by the green check mark. If a member has a green check mark next to their username, that means they are TTG certified. That means they have completed all of our courses. They've passed all of our quizzes, which means they've gone through the same education and curriculum that I went through when I worked at the hedge fund in New York. So you can put a little bit more weight on their opinions. So Dirty Fox, congrats. You guys want to try us out for that 1 week trial? You can go to ttgthree.com. Again, ttgthree.com. If you guys want to join us for a 1 week trial, would be my pleasure. It's no auto renew, no reoccurring payment. It's a one-time fee. It's just $3. Everybody's got $3. You guys can decide if the TG fam is right for you. Dirty Fox, I hope to be trading with you after this week when your 1 week trial is up. I look forward to you becoming a full-time member of the TG family. Thoughts on $20 calls on Ford expiring in January? Oof. That's a tough one. All right, so just a quick little technical analysis on Ford as this person's asking me that question. You guys can see this is how quickly we go through technical analysis and we start to identify setups. But what you're looking at on Ford is a lot of heavy resistance once you get to 2250. Heavy resistance, you'll see that previous support. You have to literally go all the way back to 2000 to see that support level, that previous support. That's how long it's been since Ford has been up in this level. I do not believe that Ford is going to blast through that $22 level. The first time it's traded at that range since literally the year 2000. So I'd be careful up into that range. Now you do have major resistance that we have broken above. Major resistance was here around 18. And I'll just draw these circles around the resistance level for you. I'll make them a little bigger just for those of you that are on a small screen. And you guys can see this is how quickly we go through technical analysis. Oops, I just did that on the wrong one. And what I'm doing right now, just so everyone understands, what I'm doing right now with the chart, this is what we do live in chat during the day, every single day. I share my screen with you guys. People ask me questions. I have trade ideas. We pull it up on the chart. We break things down. I show you guys exactly what I'm looking at. And I'm looking at this previous resistance here at 18, previous support at 22, and that's your new range. Now, the reason why I'm saying $20 calls with January expiration is a little bit tough is because right now the stock is dead smack in the middle of that range. So your risk reward is kind of skewed. If this is major resistance, right? Let's say, so here's your potential profit, and then here is your potential risk. What you'll notice is your risk and profit are almost equal. So if I was to look at, say, okay, well, your stop loss needs to be beneath that $18 level, and then there's your profit target. As I zoom this in, let's just look at this and say, okay, we'll make this green. That's your profit potential. And then we look at this and we make this red. That's your risk. Well, these are pretty much equal, almost a 1-to-1, maybe a 1.5-to-1. So this is a trade example where I would pass on this trade, not because I don't think that Ford can get to 22, but rather the risk reward isn't worth it. I'm not willing to risk $2 to the downside to only make $2 to the upside. Okay, so you'll notice now as I take these over, you'll notice that my risk reward is almost a 1-for-1. All right, maybe a 1.25-to-1. That's not a good risk reward on a trade setup. I like to look for at least 2-to-1. So in an ideal world, you like to find a trade setup where your risk reward looks like that. All right, I'll make this a little bit bigger just so everyone can really see this. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let me delete that. Okay, so your risk reward, you'd rather it be kind of a 2-to-1 rather than this trade, which is like a 1.25-to-1. And that's not what I would consider a good trade setup. Now, a better scenario here, Colin, if you like Ford to 22, a better scenario would be to be a buyer down here. Now, you can be a buyer down here. Let's say we take an entry on this at, let's say, $18.75. Let's say that's the entry. Well, okay, then now let's draw out the risk reward of the $18.75 entry. Okay, there's your profit potential. I'll make it green again. And then now here's your risk. All right, and then here's your risk. Now, what you'll notice now look at how much different the risk reward is on this trade. Now let's pull them out. Now you're looking at a 3-to-1 risk reward. So if you like this idea, $20 calls expiring in January, which I do like the play. I do think Ford moves higher. I do think Ford gets to 22. But for better risk reward, look for a pullback and stalk that area, Colin. Stalk underneath 19, 1850, 1875. That is where you're going to get excellent risk reward on this trade idea. Then you can get those January $20 strike calls, ride this thing up to 22. So what I just did here, guys, this is exactly what we do during the trading day. All right, I break down these charts. I go over these levels with you. I go over the game plan with you, risk reward, stop loss, profit targets. This is what we do during chat live. You're just seeing me do it right now on our live stream instead of in chat. Next question. Hope that was helpful, Colin. NEGG, jumped too quick. My bad. Wanted in the game. Went green on December 21 strike calls. Then down 25% drawdown on a $227 play. Would you sell quick at the open or give it a chance? Still in it. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, here's what I would do. If I was in your situation and you're still in this play, the chart pattern that I see right now could be, right now you have a very clear double top. Again, guys, this is how we do it. Okay, this is how we do it. So here's your double top on NEGG. Heavy resistance, 1975. Heavy resistance, 1975. Now, if you're going to bail right at the open, I think you got to give this, unfortunately, since you're holding this thing, I think you've got to give this down to this previous level right here. Okay. This was previous resistance. We broke above it today, and you'll see it became an area of support. Okay, so resistance from Thursday became support today. Now here we are sitting here on this trade. I would, if we open up at 18, I wouldn't panic out of the trade at 18. I'd wait a little bit, see if you go from 18 right to 1950 tomorrow morning, you're in good shape. I'd hold it, look for the break of 20, ride it 21, 22. But since you're already in this, the stock's already sitting here down around 17. Stock is sitting here down around 17. So if we open here, you're already, your risk reward on panicking out at 17 versus holding. You got to see where the stock opens tomorrow because you're in the options. So you don't have the luxury of exiting the trade now. You got to wait until the market opens for the options to start trading again. So if you're below 1675, I would just get out. If you're below 1675 tomorrow, I would get out. But if we open up around 18, I'd stick around for a little bit, see what happens.
I got this one, Michael.
Okay.
All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about CRO coin, or the Coinbase coin. Yeah, Joe? Not Coinbase. Crypto.com coin. Sorry, my mistake. This is the Crypto.com coin, similar to BNB, or the Binance coin. And Mike, can you pull up Coin Market Cap real quick? Or
yeah, sure. Give me a second.
all right. It's just going to be CRO. No. And then let me pull up. I'm actually pretty excited about this because this is one of the coins that we were talking about inside of True Trading Group about a week ago. I don't know who was in there with me at the time, but this was one of the ones that I was looking at about a week ago inside of True Trading Group. And I am long CRO from 38 cents. It is currently at 45 cents right now. Just type in CRO. Yeah, so JP Therapy was in there. There you go. So it was about a week ago when we talked about it. It was right around 38 cents. And essentially what this is the official coin for Crypto.com, similar to what Binance uses, right? Binance uses BNB as their coin. Binance right now is trading significantly higher than 45 cents. It is trading at $636 a coin right now. The crypto coin is still pretty new. And, I just think that if, Binance can be, at the price that it's at, and then, what are some of the other ones, Joe, off the top of my head? Yeah, never mind. So, then I just kind of figure that, with the popularity that Crypto.com is gaining, especially with Matt Damon now kind of stepping into the front of everything to do
cool commercial. It's cool commercial.
To do their marketing, I see no reason why something like CRO can't start to, eventually, I don't think it's going to happen overnight, kind of creep up to what Binance is doing. So, I'm just interested in watching it a little bit more. And I figured, hey, go long at 38 cents a coin, which is what I did. A lot of people were like, oh, it's at the high. And I think, like, look, I want to see confirmation that it's actually moving and it's not just a pop, right? So I like it. I'm going to hold it for a while. I'm okay with it dipping down if it does. So far, it has not. It's really kind of gotten out of the 30s and been pretty solid up here. So let's see what happens, But I like CRO. I like it. I'm going to hold it for a while.
Yeah. Looks to me too like you're going to have a lot of support in the low 40s, like 42, 43. If I'm looking at a quick technical level, 42, 43, it looks like that was a nice little triple top. We broke through it. I would look for that to be support on pullbacks.
Yep.
Hey, Mike, thoughts on Meta? Thoughts on Meta after it put in an inverse head and shoulders on daily and broke above the neckline today. Brandon, I love your eyes. Yeah, good eyes, my man. Good eyes. Good eye on identifying the inverse head and shoulders on Facebook Meta. Here is your left shoulder for those of you that do not see what Brandon is referring to. We actually talked about this inside of TTG. And what you will see is your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder. Then you will see your neckline. Okay, your neckline, which is resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay, you guys see that? Today we broke through it. We broke through that neckline today. Now, I would have loved for us to close up here. Right? I would love for us to close up there, but nonetheless, it still is a clean break. To confirm this, Brandon, to confirm this, you really want to see the stock stay above that 345 level now. All right. I wouldn't be surprised if you get a pullback down towards 345. I think the markets have a little bit of a pullback this week. So I think we have a little bit more downside in the next couple of days here in the markets. So that'll test this setup. Okay, the 10-year actually got up over the 1.6s today. So if you start to see some selling pressure come into tech and you get a pullback in the overall markets, Brandon, and if Meta holds that 345 area, you also have the 50-day moving average that is sitting here as well. If you hold that area during maybe a multi-day pullback in the markets, that's going to be all the confirmation that you need to see that this is a buy at that neckline. So I would watch this pattern very closely over the next 1 or 2 days. If the markets pull back, which I think we get a pullback this week, I think there's more downside to come in the overall market. It's nothing major. I'm not looking for a sell-off. I'm just looking for a little pullback. We've had a wild run over the last month. The market's got to take a little bit of a breather. So I think there's a little bit more of a pullback that we can see. And if you hold that 345, it's a buy, in my opinion. Good eye, though, Brandon. Excellent eye. That's a trained technical eye. Please differentiate the difference between Meta and Meta. Sure, Chris. Facebook is Meta Platforms. That is the parent company that was once formerly Facebook. Okay, so this is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. This is the parent company that used to be called Facebook. Okay, the parent company of Facebook owned also Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus, all these other things. Okay, so now they changed the parent company's name to Meta Platforms. Ticker symbol Meta is an ETF that owns shares in companies that are in the metaverse. So Meta owns Meta Platforms. Meta also owns Unity. Meta owns Tencent, Nvidia, Google, Amazon. Do they own Roblox? I'm not sure if they own Roblox or not. I actually have to. Congrats to anyone. Also, by the way, can I do a quick shout out to Unity for my long-term YouTubers, my long-term live stream followers? I talked to you guys about Unity as a long-term buy in the 90s. The stock just hit $205 today. Okay, this is a metaverse name. If you do not yet own Unity, I would look for a pullback into 170, okay, for a potential buy. If you do not yet own Unity, I'd look for a pullback into 170 for a potential buy. All right, Unity, a stock that is in the long-term portfolio. We talked about this literally all the way back here, beginning of 2021. Yes, they do own Roblox. I thought so. I thought they owned Roblox. So Meta, let's go back, META. Okay, Meta is an ETF that owns a bunch of different stocks that operate within the metaverse, or plan to operate in the metaverse, I should say. Okay. Great questions tonight. Guys. Keep them flowing. I'll take maybe one more, so 1 or 2 more, and then we'll talk about how to make money when stocks crash. We'll talk about what's going on with Tesla. We'll recap the 71% gain on the Tesla option trade from Friday. A little swing trade action from Friday into today. So we got a lot to discuss. So maybe 1 or 2 more questions, folks, and then we'll dive in. What is the metaverse? Is it like the universe but meta? So the metaverse is the movie Ready Player One. I don't know if anybody has ever seen the movie Ready Player One. It's a fantastic movie. And if you have any, if you are confused or unsure of what the metaverse is, just watch Ready Player One. That will explain to you what the metaverse is. It is a digital form of reality. All right. It is, an immersive world. It's a virtual 3D world, folks. It's a virtual 3D world. That is your metaverse. But watch Ready Player One and you'll have a much greater understanding of what the metaverse actually is. It's pretty amazing, in my opinion. I think it's the next big, technological shift and progression. I think it's going to be huge. What about NFT? So NFTs are basically digital property. It's like a digital form of art. So imagine, instead of you buying a painting that I would hang, which I'm waiting for my painting to come. You guys will see I got a painting that's going to go right there, but it takes 9,000 years for it to ship. But so instead of me buying a painting and hanging it on my wall, you can buy a digital version of that painting and you'll be able to, use all of these digital assets in something like the metaverse, or you can trade them or you can buy them and sell them. And I think that, this whole concept of Ready Player One and the metaverse is that people would rather spend money on a new pair of digital shoes for their avatar in the metaverse. They'd rather spend money on that than they would new shoes for them to actually wear in the real world. And you can look at the digital sneakers, okay, or the digital painting as an NFT. Super cool concept. I love it. Metaverse, NFTs. I love it. I think it's the future. I think it is the future. No, you can't. NFTs and PDFs.
Real quick, also, just to touch on this because it was too much to type. NFTs are also being used as utilities. So, for example, if you purchase an NFT, the reason why you can't right-click and save it is because the actual code that is minted for that NFT is on the blockchain, and you will show as the owner of it, right? And as far as the actual NFT itself, a lot of people, what they're doing is when you buy an NFT off a marketplace like OpenSea or other places, what'll happen is that NFT will come with some form of utility, right? So you buy the NFT, but you also gain access to perhaps a private Discord server, or you buy the NFT and perhaps you get access to some form of party or event that's going to take place. In the very near future, when you buy a membership at True Trading Group, you will be given an NFT, which could possibly give you access to other things within our own TTG metaverse, right?
Ayo.
So, ayo.
Toasters for everybody.
So that is NFT. NFTs are, there's a lot of back and forth. It's silly, it's stupid, it's not worth the money. It's this, all this stuff is worth whatever somebody's willing to pay for it. That's the bottom line. We can sit here and argue that it's stupid, it's not worth the money. Doesn't matter. It's literally worth what somebody is willing to pay for it. What does TTG stand for? Two tonight grands.
Totally tubular guys.
Totally tubular guys. And then you could also check out our P-Hub channel as well. Same name.
Stands for True Trading Group.
Anyways.
Or totally tubular.
Guys.
Gang.
Bang.
Gang.
You're it.
Yeah, honestly, this is a really good Q&A though. You guys are doing a great job asking some really great questions.
I love the crypto and NFT questions, right? Because I'm super into that, right? So for those that don't know, you know, I'm not the trader. My job is I'm Mike's business partner. Hi, I'm Adam. Hi, I'm Adam.
Hi.
And
Hi.
we created True Trading Group together. My job is to run the business, right? And Mike and the trading mods, their job is to trade. But I am also very, very into crypto and NFTs and all that stuff. So there you go. All right. He goes, TRG, what is it? I don't know what TRG is. You mean TTG stands for totally tubular guys. We told you already.
Gang.
Bang. If you say gang and I say bang after, we're not going to get in trouble.
It's a family show. This is a family show.
He just doesn't but I'm trying to explain to Bob what it is.
I understand, but this is a family show.
All right, whatever. All right. Anyways,
what do we got? One more question left?
No, I think we're good.
All right. Guys, listen up. Excellent job on the Q&A. Seriously, you guys asked some really great questions. Definitely helpful. Before I continue on with the rest of our live, I'd like to actually know who here is with us for the first time and is not a member of the TTG family. Go ahead, guys. Type the number 1 in chat if you guys are new to the live stream or you're not a member of True Trading. Go ahead, type the number 1 in chat right now. Dirty Fox goes half. Dirty Fox, trial member. Sanmi Felix. Karen Rogers. Lady Mo. Mambubar. Maslan. Young Hat. Charles Wilkinson. Ariel Diaz. Le Rose. Teferis. Gilbert Rubio. I don't know. Your username is in a different language. It's crazy. The Loch Ness Monster. Shell Jackson. Jonathan Ramirez. What's up, guys? Welcome. Beautiful. All of you that are typing the number 1, guys, seriously, you guys have no idea how fortunate you are to be right here, right now. But soon you will all understand. Results matter at True Trading Group. All right? Results matter. I'll take a couple of minutes. I'll just tell you guys about the membership briefly, and then we're going to dive into how to make money when stocks crash. We're going to go over to 71% gain on the Tesla put option swing trade that we talked about from Friday. Nailed that one today, took profits off. I'm now out of that position because of a rumor that is circulating around the markets. We're going to talk about what that rumor is, what that means for the markets, and how that works, and how that I think that's going to affect the price of Tesla. We're going to talk all about that in just a short moment. All right. But I want to tell you guys about TTG first, real briefly for a couple of minutes. Results matter. What's a result? Result can be defined as an effect, consequence, or an outcome of something. And as an example, by joining True Trading Group, this is a statistical fact, by joining True Trading Group and putting in the effort, taking the courses, passing the quizzes, using the tools, joining the free study groups and attending the workshops and webinars, you guys have a very good chance of making money and more importantly, becoming a better trader. And if you do not believe me, I want you all to watch this. My TTG family members, now listen to me very carefully. If you are a member of True Trading Group and simply you're making money or you're becoming a better trader, I want you to type the number 1 in chat right now. Anyone that's not a member, pay attention to the amount of number 1s that come through on the side of the screen, because these are your TTG members that are telling you guys that we're making money. We've been part of the family. We've gone through the curriculum and it's working for us. All these people type the number 1. This is what results look like. They found True Trading Group the same way you did, and that's a live stream, or maybe they were referred by family or friends. All right? Look at all the number 1s that are coming through the side of the screen right now. That is what results look like. Another example of results would be, let's say, by you not joining True Trading Group, trying to figure this stuff out all on your own. You actually have over a 90% chance of failing miserably at this. These are the stats. These are the numbers. Now, I'm not saying True Trading Group is the only way to do this. It's not. But what I am saying is it's one of, if not the best options for everyone of all skill levels from all walks of life to have the best chance to learn, trade, and profit. According to a new survey that we have just conducted, 80% of our members have made money, okay, at least once throughout that in membership. And 94% of our members feel that they are becoming better traders. 94% of our members in a recent survey said that they are becoming better traders. Okay, these are the stats. These are the numbers. We help people reach their goals of becoming consistently profitable by combining top-notch, okay, professional education, and we combine that with premium tools from companies like TradingView, Benzinga, Quote Media, and Trade Ideas. And we are a community of traders that all shares the same goal, and that's to learn, trade, and profit together. Now, stay right where you guys are. I'm going to spend about 5 or 10 minutes more, 5 to 7 minutes more talking about the membership. And then we're diving into making money when stocks crash. We're talking about the Tesla trade and what's the rumor circulating around Tesla stock now and how we can make money from it. So pay attention to me real quickly. We've been moving the price of our membership up by a couple of bucks every day. All right. But every couple of days, we have a price jump. All right. On February 1st of 2022, the price of our membership will be $2,500 for the year. Don't freak out. We're not there yet. Okay. But on February 1st, it'll be $2,500 for the year. You could have joined 3 weeks ago for just $1,106. Now today, that membership is $1,225. February 1st, it'll be $2,500. Our goal is to level the playing field for the retail investor. Very simple. We created a platform where we have combined professional. Yep.
I know you love it when I do this.
Yes, very much.
Very much. All right. Before Mike goes any further, I have a huge announcement for our True Trading Group members right now. Okay? Huge. You guys have been asking for a while for real-time options flow data, okay, and dark pool data. You guys have been asking for that for a while. Well, Mike and I have been hard at work trying to get that done, and I am very happy to announce that it is now currently live on the True Trading Group website. So now, right now, from today till Friday, lifetime members will have access to options, real-time options flow data and dark pool data. On Friday, we are opening it up to all members. None of this will cost extra money. This is all part of your True Trading Group annual membership. Let me show you how it looks. So right now, we'll go here, options flow and dark pool. You're given two options, options flow and dark pool. Now, this is all very basic right now. This will look a lot better, but like I said, that's why we're giving it to lifetime members so we can get feedback on it between now and Friday. And on Friday, we're going to open it up to everyone for free, as long as you're a member. Okay? Right. This is what the options flow data looks like. This is all real time. Obviously, not real time right now because there's no options after hours, but there you go. This is all real time, all options flow data that you will now have access to as a member of True Trading Group. Okay? On top of that, you now have dark pool data. And the dark pool data is delayed 15 minutes, but my understanding is that most dark pool data is delayed by 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but now you have dark pool data and you have your options flow data in here. All right. This is all part now of the annual True Trading Group membership. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick, let you know this is everything that comes with the annual membership. This is not on the checkout page yet, although you get it. Yes, Chandler, the options flow is real time. Absolutely it is. All the data is coming from IEX cloud feed. Okay. So that's it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'll update the checkout page tomorrow so that it says it on there, but you're getting it as a member of True Trading Group. Okay. So Mazel Tov. And congratulations.
Congratulations. Yeah, guys, this is a big deal. So remember what I said to you earlier, right? That TTG is a platform. So this is just one of the many features and tools that we provide on the platform, included with your membership, so that you have access to the same information as professional traders. Professional traders, they get
it will also flag unusual options data as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Awesome. So professional traders have access to options flow, unusual options activity alerts, dark pool data that can help them make better decisions. You, as a member of True Trading Group, now will also have access to that same information. Our goal is to level the playing field for the retail trader. Our goal is to provide you with a professional education, which is the education I received when I worked at the hedge fund, but to also provide you with the tools and resources that professional traders use. This is how, in our opinion, we level the playing field to give you, the retail trader and investor, the greatest chance of consistent profitability and success in the markets. If all you are armed with is a Robinhood account on your cell phone, you are at a massive disadvantage compared to a professional trader. So when you guys join True Trading Group, you are not just getting trade alerts in a chat room. You are getting access to a trading platform that is built with the retail trader in mind to empower and level the playing field for the retail trader. That is what True Trading Group is. It's not just, oh, another trade alert service. It's far more than that. So again, I'll share with you guys some information about this because you have the opportunity to join tonight for a 44% discount on your membership. There will not be a Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's sale. All right. Black Friday, none of it. Okay. We are raising the price of our membership. We have to, because we keep adding these platforms. We keep adding these resources and tools to our platform. All this stuff costs us money as a company, right? All of it. All right. So we have to continue to raise the price. But for current members, no price increase whatsoever. You're a current member of True Trading Group. You had access to all these new features included. We're like the Netflix of trading communities. You guys pay one price, you get access to all of our stuff as it continues to come out. I'm a member of Netflix. When Netflix comes out with a new show next month or a new documentary, I don't have to pay extra for it. It's included in my platform. Same thing with True Trading Group. Everyone that's already a member of TTG, you guys don't have to pay anything extra for the dark pool data, the options flow, and the unusual options activity. It's all included with your membership. That's how it should be. So you guys can join tonight by midnight Pacific with the coupon code TTG121. Use TTG121, click apply code at checkout. You'll get a 44% discount, but I'm also going to give you 2 small private study group sessions with a pro trader at True Trading Group. This is your chance to get individual attention, to go over questions and get the help that you guys need to help speed up that learning curve, make sure you're going down the right path to success. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to give the next 15 people a chance to earn a brand new free laptop. And I said earn. All right. Yes, I said earn. At True Trading Group, we get laptops from wholesalers that we build relationships with. We get great pricing on bulk orders, and we get a certain amount allocated, and then we ship those laptops to our members worldwide. No shipping cost. We pay it. It's literally free for you. Not a dollar penny comes out of your pocket. All right. So here's the deal. You have to become TTG certified. How do you do that? If you go through all of our courses and you pass our quizzes, you become TTG certified. That will earn you the brand new free laptop that you can trade with. We only have 15 laptops left, and then that is all. We have finally run out of the allocation that we were getting from the one wholesaler. Okay, so we have 15 laptops left. That's it. We are fully out of them. The next 15 people to join with TTG121 coupon code, you get a 44% discount. It brings the price all the way down to $1,225 for the entire year. You don't pay $1 more for any of those resources and courses. And you get the 2 small private study groups for the pro trader, and you get the brand new free laptop upon becoming TTG certified. TTG certified is a badge of honor. Okay, members take great pride in becoming TTG certified. You get a certificate, you can print it out, hang it on your wall, put it on your desk, share it on social media. You get a green check mark next to your username and chat so other members know you're TTG certified. Your opinion now carries more weight. You know, you can ask my TTG members that are TTG certified. You guys can comment. How much did it mean to you when you became TTG certified? Is it something that you are proud of? Maybe you guys can say a couple words right now in chat if you're a TTG certified member. It takes on average about 4 to 6 weeks to become TTG certified, but I've seen it done faster. It's up to you. It depends on how much time you put towards the training. The curriculum is available to you 24/7. It goes at your own pace, on your own schedule. So no matter how much time you have or how much time you don't have, if you want this bad enough, there's no excuse. And if anyone is doubting that these people, meaning us, actually give away free laptops, let's ask our members. My TTG fam, do we actually give away free laptops? Yes or no? Do we give away free laptops? Yes or no? Now, if you're not a member, just pay attention. Pay attention. See some of the comments. Okay, see some of the comments that are coming through chat. Now, you guys can see all of our members that are typing yes, because that is because we actually do give away free laptops. And anyone, the first 15 people, not anyone, excuse me, the first 15 people to use TTG 121, you'll get a 44% discount, 2 small private study groups with a pro trader, and a chance to earn that brand new free laptop. Let me share with you guys some of the other stuff that's included. All right. Because you pay one price, you get access to
one second. Naveed just signed up. Naveed, you did not enter the coupon code. You did not enter the coupon code, so you paid the full price. Make sure that you enter coupon code TTG121. You can send an email to info@truetradinggroup.com. That's info@truetradinggroup.com. And I will make sure to refund you back the difference. Okay? Thanks.
There you go. Yep, guys, just, right there, that coupon code, TTG121. You guys click on apply code to make sure you get the discount. All right. Now, what is included with that membership? I told you we're a platform. Folks, listen up. Okay. You're getting access to the entire 17-course curriculum. All right. This is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned when I worked at the fund. There's beginner and foundation courses for those that are brand new. There's advanced courses for those that are more seasoned. There's also courses on options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it. We have it in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. There are no upsells for additional courses. There are no pro or VIP level courses. When you join True Trading Group with coupon code TTG121 and pay $12.25 for the whole year, you get access to every single course we have. You also get access to our trading performance journal. We have a journal that tracks your stock, option, crypto, and even futures trades. This will give you hard statistics on your trading so we can identify where you're making mistakes so we can correct them. This is a game changer. You also get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. This gives you live breaking up to the second news alerts directly inside of chat. So you guys can get news as soon as it crosses the wire without delay. You can't rely on something like Yahoo Finance. The news is like 10, 15 minutes delayed. Everything I'm telling you is included for $12.25. You don't pay extra for any of this. You get Quote Media's full book level 2. You're going to see all the market makers that post in level 2, not just the ones your broker shows you. Then you're going to get TradingView's premium level charting, one of the most commonly used charting softwares. You're also going to get ETNA's Trade Simulator, which will let you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data so you can practice, and you have access to all of these tools and resources for the entire length of your membership. You also get Trade Ideas Scanner. Shows you what stocks make new highs, new lows, and have a surge in volume. That scanner is also separated into small caps, mid caps, and large caps. So no matter what you trade, we can focus and make sure you're looking at the hottest stocks during the day. Then, of course, our chat room, plus all of our trade alerts from a group of professional traders that's currently sporting about an 84% win rate. We're fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our website that tracks every buy and sell that all of our moderators make. We're very proud of that collective win rate between the moderators. You can go on and see all the wins and losses and break-evens are all right there for you to see in our journal. Then you get access to all of our live workshops. We conduct live workshops with members covering different topics every week. We have what we call TTG Thursdays. Okay, we host different workshops every Thursday covering different topics. You have access to every one. Okay, now 2 small private study groups. This is your chance to get that individual attention from a TTG pro trader to go over questions and topics you're struggling with so we can make sure you get the help that you need. And then we also do those big giveaways, guys. You saw just last night, I gave away $50,000 to one lucky teaching member, Antonio V. Congratulations again. And next week, we're giving away $30,000 to one lucky teaching member. You just have to be a member to be able to qualify for that giveaway. All right. So the next 14 people to use TTG121 coupon code before midnight tonight, you're going to save 44%, get those 2 small private study groups, going to get a chance to earn that brand new free laptop. And last, but certainly not least, a money back guarantee, baby. I kid you not. I told you TTG is about results. We're not just empty words and broken promises. I put my money where my mouth is. I stand behind this program. And because of that, I am willing to offer anyone that joins True Training Group, goes through the courses, passes the quizzes, attends one study group. If you do those 3 things and still do not make your membership fee back at least once, not only will I give you your entire membership fee of $1,225 back, I'm going to give you an additional $200 on top for wasting your time. That is how much I believe in our ability to help you succeed. There is not a single other group or service out there that would offer you a complete full money back guarantee if you failed, plus giving you an additional $200 on top. But I think that's how it should be. Because if you're willing to invest your hard-earned money, $1,225 in our platform, and you are relying on us to provide you with the tools, the resources, and more importantly, the education to help you become a consistently profitable trader, then I believe that we should be in that together. And if you fail, I'm going to lose money. That is all the incentive that I need for you to make sure that you have access to all the education tools and resources you need to be successful.
Bro, Kurt is killing me right now. He's like, LOL, I'm almost there. Kurt, I'm going to guarantee this for you, big dog. Kurt, I hope you can hear me. Kurt, you go ahead. You sign up tonight. I will personally make your $200 back guarantee a $500 back guarantee. Personally, out of my own money.
Yo, Kurt. Kurt!
Let's go. I just called your bluff.
Wow. Kurt, if you don't sign up, you're never going to, brother. I'm sorry.
I'm not joking. It's not a joke. I'm being 1,000% serious. It's publicly on record here on YouTube. Go pay $1,225. And in 1 year, if you don't make your money back at least once, I'm going to give you 100% of your money back plus $500.
Wow. Kurt. Adam, East Florida Fishing needs to talk to you. In case you
I understand. That. What do you want me to do?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know what he wants me to do either.
I don't know. Stop. Everybody stop. Adam.
Call me.
Okay. Kurt, you got to do it, man. I'm sorry, brother. If you're not going to join, understand what just happened. Adam is saying, Kurt, if you join True Training Group, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group. If you do not make $1,225 back at least once, Adam's going to give you back $1,725, and you're going to get to keep the free laptop. You are basically making what is that, a 70% return on your investment?
If he does not take it, he's been full of crap the entire time.
Yes, Kurt, I'm sorry. I'm going to call you out on that one, man. If you don't take that deal, you've been, I'm sorry, man. We'll see if he signs up.
We'll see.
We'll see. Kurt, we'll see. We'll see. No pressure, Kurt. All right. But that's how it should be, folks. That's what that money back guarantee, it's there. Everything I'm telling you, it's on the website. You're getting exactly what I'm saying to you here. That's how I believe it should be. And I am confident enough in our ability to help you succeed that's why
he said, what time do I have by? Kurt, you have right now.
Kurt, you have 45 seconds.
You have 45 seconds, Kurt. It ain't that complicated, big dog. It really isn't. You sign up.
Come on, everybody. Kurt.
No. Seriously. You sign up. If you don't make your money back in 1 year, I'm going to go ahead and give you back $500 on top of 100% of your money back, plus you get to keep the laptop. And I'll make sure Mike shares how he does his eyebrows with you, and that is a hot commodity.
I don't do, these are just my eyebrows, guys. I'm sorry. It's just what they look like.
But Kurt, if I don't see your name come through in the next, like, all joking aside, in the next, like, 3 minutes, I'm blocking you from the channel.
Oh, Kurt! The heat is on. The heat is on. All right, so you have it, folks. Again, TTG121. Okay, the next 14 people to use that code are going to get the 44% discount, the 2 small private study groups, the chance to earn the free laptop, and the money back guarantee. All right, so there you have it, folks. All right, now let's talk about Tesla. All right, let's talk about Tesla. All right. So, folks, I shorted Tesla on Friday. Okay, let me share my screen with you guys. Let's recap the Tesla trade. Let's talk about what happened today. All right, Tesla. I shorted Tesla on Friday, literally right there. Okay, right there was the short entry on Tesla. I took some profit off the table on Friday right here. Then we took more profit off of the table today. I'll give you guys the exact alerts. Right there. I'm trying to find my exact price on this. There it is.
Oh, shit. Kurt said, send me the link. Kurt, Joe, send Kurt the link.
Attaboy, Kurt. Attaboy, Kurt. All right, so there was the second take profit there today. And then
Kurt,
we dropped down.
TTG121. Use the code. For those that are wondering why we are picking on Kurt, Kurt Cake has come on for many nights in a row now, questioning whether or not we are real. Kurt continues to come back, and every night is proven a little bit more that we are real. But he has vocally expressed doubt whether or not we are real. It is very important to me that that the people that doubt be given a chance to come on in and to see how real we truly are. Was my mic on?
Yes.
Oh, thank God.
Yes, it was, buddy. You're fine.
All right, we are totes real.
Yes.
Mambo Jam.
All right.
Kitties.
So,
but honestly,
Tesla.
I won't be happy until Vince signs up.
He's not even here anymore.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Been sad ever since.
Okay, so Tesla. All right. So we shorted Tesla on Friday at $1,041.41. And at the time of the trade entry, I also alerted our members to the November 26th expiration $1,000 strike put option at around $31, $32 a contract. So whenever I trade a large cap stock, I understand some people don't have the capital to, short $1,000 stock or even to trade a $50, $60, or $100 stock. So whenever I'm trading a mid or large cap, I will always also alert an option to coincide with my trade. So even though I shorted Tesla, the stock itself, I also alerted members to the November 26th expiration $1,000 strike put option at $31, $32. Now today, those options went all the way to $56. At the time of my third take profit on the trade, which is my second take profit there on the day, we were looking at about a 71% gain. We were looking at about a 71% gain that second take profit. For those of my members that followed along with those options, guys, congratulations, my TTG fam that caught this trade with me. Beautifully done. Excellent trade. Big time win. Congrats. If you guys made money on the Tesla trade, you can sound off. I'd love to know about it. But then what happened later today? This happened. Now, let me explain what this is. Okay. There are some rumors circulating that I've heard two different rumors so far. One, that Elon Musk is done selling. He's not going to sell anymore. Another rumor that I heard is that he might sell the rest of his shares through a direct secondary offering. Either one of those rumors, if they are true, it removes selling pressure off of the open market. That is why you saw the stock move higher there at 2:45 in the afternoon today. You have to understand what has taken place with Tesla. Okay. Okay. You have to understand what has taken place here. All right. What has taken place with Tesla, you had Elon Musk come out and say that he's going to be selling 10% of the stock. It comes out to about $25 billion. All right. Since then, you've seen Tesla stock trade significantly lower. Now, a lot of traders have jumped on the back of that trade and have shorted Tesla. You have to understand what takes place. Whoever Elon Musk uses as his prime broker, okay, whoever is his broker, I don't know who it is, but he definitely has a prime. I can tell you that with this position. When a trader gets that type of order, so let's say Elon Musk is like, sell $5 billion worth of stock today. When a broker gets that order, they have to work that order for the entire day. Make no mistake about it. When a broker has that size, or a trader, I should say, has that type of size, the whole world knows about it. He tells his buddies tell their buddies that, Jimbo from Citi or from Goldman has a $5 billion sell order to satisfy today. Other traders and other market makers will get in front of that supply and they will get short. Any bounce the stock sees, traders will step in and short it because they know that trader with the $5 billion sell order is going to feed supply into the market any bounce that the stock has. So everybody comes in and they get short as long as they know that this trader has that open active sell order on their desk. What happened today is there's a rumor that sell order is gone. So what happens? Everybody that's been shorting Tesla for the last week, okay, people that have been shorting Tesla for the last week start covering their short position. And you get this increase in volume and the stock shoots higher because now people think that multi-billion-dollar supply that was going to come into the market isn't there anymore. So when this rumor came out, I did not right away cover the rest of my position. I was still holding a piece of this position even after I took profit 3 times. Because I wanted to see if it was real. It was just a rumor. Okay, it was just a rumor at that time. I wanted to see if it was real. So I waited. I couldn't find if it was real. I couldn't find if it was fake. So what I decided to do was cover the rest of my position, okay, after hours, right here. My final profit came off the table after hours, and I am now completely flat this trade, just in case that rumor is real. If the rumor's real, Tesla could trade back to 1050, 1060 tomorrow. Very possible. Or the rumor can turn out to be fake and Tesla can drop right back to 990, 980. And if it is fake, I can get myself back into that position. What I did not want to do was risk a big gap up tomorrow back to 1045, 1050 if this turns out to in fact be that Elon Musk is done selling. Elon Musk might send a tweet out, at 11 o'clock at night saying, hey, Bernie, I'm done for now. Let me know if you need me to sell more. If he says something like that, then the market's going to say, wow, he's actually done selling, and all your short sellers are going to cover, and all your dip buyers that thought they had a couple more days of downside of him selling, they're going to chase the stock back into the market, and you're going to get a pop back to 1060, maybe even higher. And then I didn't want to let the rest of this position just get away from me like that after locking in such great profit. So I'm flat the position, final profits off the table. I'll let you guys know what I do with the rest of the position. If it turns out that this news is in fact fake, I will come back. And if he is in fact still selling, I will get myself back into the trade, because if he is still selling, I think Tesla goes to 950. That's this gap entry. And if it gets below that, it fills the gap down to around 910. And that would be my final take profit. So still more downside on Tesla if it turns out this rumor is fake, but I'm being smart. I'm being prudent. I'm being safe. I'm taking my profits and I'm going home. And I'll come back to the table with no position tomorrow. Maybe we get a bounce. Maybe it turns out the news is fake. I can get myself back into that position. And if I do, I will let you guys know, obviously, the price I shorted, but I'll also let you guys know an option contract, strike price, expiration date that you can go ahead and grab to, make sure that you guys are following along with that trade. Okay. So there you have it. That's the deal there with Tesla. And then last, I'll touch upon Roblox. A couple people asking about Roblox. Roblox, strong move the last 2 days. Strong move the last 2 days. Okay, clear double top resistance here at 110. Okay, as clear can be. There's your double top resistance at 110. All right, plain as day. All right, 110 and 110. Navid, welcome. Everybody welcome Navid to the TG family. Everybody welcome Navid. All right, so there's your resistance level at 110. All right, there's your resistance at 110. So I think that you can look for really good extension and follow through if you get the break through 110. I think you could easily see Roblox. Okay, I think you can easily see Roblox continue higher and get up to like 116, 118. I do think the stock has more room to the upside. Okay, I do think it has more room to the upside. All right, look for that 110 to break. Look for the stock to continue higher. I would prefer a consolidation day before the break. So like what I'm looking for on Roblox is actually a consolidation day, an inside day. I want to see Roblox trade like between 105 and 109. Just go like this, 105, 109. And then the next day, break above 110. And then that'll be the breakout day. I think the stock needs to charge its battery a little bit before breaking through 110 if we're going to get really good follow through. All right. And I'll let you guys know, obviously, as that trade unfolds and how we call that out. All right. So there it is, folks. That is all she wrote. All right. I hope that this was helpful. Hope you guys, made some good money on that Tesla short. I'll let you guys know if I get back into it. I got some research to do. I got some digging to do. We got to figure out what's going on. Is Elon Musk done selling? We got to check that Twitter feed. We got to see what's going on. If, in fact, he is done or if there's more to come. If there's more to come, I'm going to look to get myself back into that trade. All right. So remember, gang, the membership, the two trading group. Everybody welcome Ron. Ron, newest member of the fam. What's up, Ron? 13 laptops left. 13 laptops left. Everybody welcome Ron. Ron, 44% discount, 2 small private study groups, brand new free laptop, and the money back guarantee plus $200 on top. Everybody welcome Ron. So guys, that 1-year membership, it normally costs $2,212, but you can save 44% tonight, brings the price down to $1,225, and you have the opportunity to earn a brand new free laptop and get 2 small private study groups with a pro trader from TTG. You just have to use TTG121 at checkout, click apply code to get that discount. Now, let me show you the platform. I told you TTG is a platform. So let me show you guys. Donald, what's up? Everybody welcome Donald, newest member of the family. 12 of those laptops left now. Welcome Donald, newest member of the TTG fam. Guys, these are the only laptops we have left, by the way. No more laptops after this. Our wholesaler is completely out. So once we sell out of these 15 laptops, we're going to maybe move down to Kindles or tablets. But this is the last of our laptops for a little while. Okay, so let me show you guys the platform. I told you for those that were interested, I'll show you what comes included. All right, so you're going to get access to the top premium trading tools and products because you bundle them together as part of your membership. That includes our recently launched new trading performance journal. This tracks all of your stock, option, crypto, and even futures trades, and actually gives you hard statistics on your trading so we can figure out where you're making mistakes so we can correct them. Then you get our Benzinga Pro real-time news feed. Gives you live breaking up to the second news alerts directly inside of chat without delay. Then you get Benzinga Pro's real-time. Oh, excuse me. I already said that one. Yeah, quote streams, full book level 2. That's going to give you all the market makers inside of level 2. All right, so you can see all the order flow. You also get ETNA's simulator. This lets you trade stocks and options with fake money, so you can practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. Welcome, Jack. Jack, welcome to the family. 11 laptops left. Claim them now. TTG121 coupon code. Then you also get our trade ideas scanner. Show you what stocks make new highs, new lows, have a surge in volume. It's separated into small caps, mid caps, and large caps. So no matter what you trade, we're focused on the best. All right. No matter what you trade, we're focused on the best. All right. All of this is included. You don't pay extra for any of this. There's no upsells or additional fees for this, guys. Okay. All of this is included. You then get our own proprietary scanner that has the same functionality as FinViz Elite. And it also gives you the ability to click on any ticker symbol in that scanner and get unlimited downloadable PDF reports on analyst ratings. So you can actually click on a stock and see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on the stock. That can be a real game changer in helping you identify and make your trading and investment decisions. You think it's a good buy? Wouldn't it be nice to know what all the analysts think if they agree with you before you pull the trigger? This is included with your membership. Then you have our social sentiment scanner, something you used to only see at hedge funds. Now at the fingertips of our TG members. Our social sentiment scanner will scour StockTwits, Reddit, and Twitter and tell you what stocks are being mentioned the most on those social media platforms. It'll also tell you the size of the float and what percentage of the float is short. Okay, these are the tools and resources you get access to as a member of the TTG fam. This is what I mean by it's a platform. You also get TradingView's Pro Plus charting software, one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders. At least a minimum of 10 easy-to-follow, actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders sporting about an 84% win rate collectively. We're fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our website that tracks every buy and sell that our moderators make. So you can see all the wins, the losses, the break-evens are all right there for you to see. Then you get those 2 small private study groups with a pro trader from TTG. Get that individual attention, help speed up that learning curve, ask questions, make sure you guys are on the right path to success. And then, of course, the curriculum. The curriculum is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. There's beginner and foundation courses. There's advanced courses. There's courses on options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, text, and video format. These are the entire curriculum. Okay. There are no VIP inner circle pro courses that cost you more money once you join. You get access to every single course we have, as well as every single tool and resource I'm showing you here when you join with coupon code TGD121. Then in addition to the courses, you have a video library that has well over 100 hours of additional educational video content, like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO. These are just workshops that we conduct with our members. They're all included free with your membership to True Trading Group. And then we have the brand new options flow data with unusual options activity and dark pool data as well coming to the TGD platform. Our lifetime members, you guys can test this out this week. And our annual members, we're going to go live to the full platform this Sunday. And everybody, he did it. Welcome, Kurt. Yes. Kurt, welcome to the TTG family. Big welcome, big shout out to Kurt. He finally pulled the trigger. Kurt, I welcome you to the family, brother, with open arms. I enjoy trading with you. 10 laptops left. 10 laptops left. Everybody welcome Kurt. You just have to enter TTG121 coupon code, guys. Then click apply code. Make sure you click apply code. Otherwise, you're paying over $2,000. Don't pay full price. You're on the YouTube channel. That coupon code is for you. It's not for somebody else that gets to the page. It's for you here on the live. Use that coupon code. And then, of course, don't forget about the chat room. Obviously, you have access to that. The mods and I share our screen. We're live on the microphone talking to you the way I'm talking to you now. Okay? So we call out our trades in real time in advance of making them. We're there with you from pre-market till after hours. We're there the whole day with you, not gone after 2 hours. And you can send us DMs and ask us questions throughout the course of the trading day. We are there for you guys all day, every day in the trenches, battling with you, identifying opportunities, and making money. Guys, use this coupon code because the value you're getting at $12.25 is insane. Okay, the value you get at $12.25 is insane. Let's say you don't join TTG. Let me show you the value. Let's say
somebody just said you should offer the deal you gave to Kurt to everybody. Here. Really though? Is that person a member? Are you a member of the Loch Ness Monster? Where are they at?
The Loch Ness Monster. Are they a member or are they not a member?
I don't know. I'm seeing where they're at.
No, not a member. The Loch Ness Monster just said no, I'm not a member.
Okay, fine. Loch Ness Monster, sign up
right now with
the coupon code.
Yeah, let's do it.
Tonight only. Tonight only.
Let's do it. I don't care. Let's do it. I don't care. Hey, Loch Ness Monster. Okay, you know what? TTG 121 coupon code tonight only until midnight tonight. That's it. Midnight tonight, you guys can join TTG 121, get a 44% discount. If you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group. If you do not make your membership fee back at least once during your membership, you will get your full membership fee, $1,225 plus an additional $500 on top. I don't care. I'll put my money where my mouth is. I really, truly don't care. I have no problem offering this to you guys right now here tonight because I stand behind this platform. I believe in our ability to help you succeed. We have listen to this. Our refund rate since 2017 is just over 1.7%. 1.7%. I have no problem offering that. And since, you know what? He's right. Loch Ness Monster, you're right. It's only fair. We gave that deal to Kurt. Kurt, I love you, brother, but there's nothing special about Kurt. Why only Kurt? Anyone that's on this live stream, guys, if you want that same exact deal, a money-back guarantee plus $500 on top, if you do not make your membership fee back at least once, after going through all the courses, passing all the quizzes, and attending one study group, I will honor that deal until midnight Pacific tonight only. Until tonight only. All right? Loch Ness Monster, I better see a sign up from you in the next 5 minutes.
Or I'm going to troll the ever-loving crap out of you.
I will literally troll you until the end of time. This was your idea. I'm doing this because you asked me to. All right? You asked for it, the Loch Ness Monster. I'm giving it to you. You asked for it. I'm giving it to you. Okay? That's
Somebody
it.
says that's not his government name. How do you know?
Oh, man, I love it.
I got to change the template now. I got to add that on the checkout page so people...
Well, listen, everyone, you heard me say it. It's live. It's out there. It's on it's in the universe now. So you guys, it's here. Oh, the Loch Ness Monster said I'm doing it right now. The Loch Ness Monster said I'm doing it right now. Loch Ness, I don't know what your name is yet. Once you sign up, I'll know. Just let us know that that's you. But I look forward to trading with you and anyone else that is willing to do this. I told you, I stand behind the platform, folks. I'm telling you, you're not going to find one single service out there that's going to be willing to do what I'm doing right now. Nobody, not one. And I'm telling you again, there's nobody that's out there that is confident enough in their ability to help you succeed than we are. And it is just that simple. That's what this money back guarantee is. I told you results matter at True Trading Group. It's not just empty words and broken promises. And this, folks, is how I prove that to you. But let me tell you about the value again, what I was talking about before. Because let's say you don't join True Trading Group, which honestly, I don't understand how you can't at this point. I mean, with what I'm offering you guys tonight, but let's say you still don't for whatever the reason. But then you think to yourself, man, that Benzinga newsfeed, that sounds useful. I can use that. If you go to Benzinga to sign up for that newsfeed, they're going to charge you $1,404 a year for that newsfeed. Just that. You get the exact same newsfeed with your TeachD platform when you pay just $12.25 and get access to everything else that I just said to you. Not to mention a $500 additional money back guarantee on top of your membership fee. What are you guys waiting for? Where's your risk? Seriously, where's your risk? Yeah, Lee Michaels goes, guys, it's a big mistake not to join. He's right. He's right. All right. Our goal is to disrupt this industry. You know, I don't blame many of you. There's a lot of people on here that are skeptical, and I don't blame you. You should be, because there's so much, excuse my language, turn the volume down if your kids are around. I'll give you 5 seconds to do so. But there's so much bullshit out there. There's so many people that don't know their ass from their elbow. They try to sell you on a dream. They try to sell you on a secret that no one knows about. But give me $5,000, I'll tell you the secret. Believe me, there's no secret. If there was, when I worked at the hedge fund, they would have told me about it. If there was a secret. The only secret is that they didn't let me touch $1 of their money until I went through their training program. Therefore, the secret is education. The secret is training. That's the secret. Cynthia, welcome to the TeachD family. Everybody, welcome Cynthia. There are now 9 laptops left. 9 laptops left. Okay, 9 laptops left. Welcome, Cynthia. We're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot, folks. Okay, we are 5-star rated on Trustpilot. I welcome, encourage, and invite you guys to go read the reviews. Okay, go read the reviews. About 1,400 people have taken the time out of their day to leave us a review on Trustpilot. Go read them. There's no better referral than one from your peers. And then you guys have that money back guarantee. I'll say this one more time. Until midnight tonight only, anyone that signs up with coupon code TTG121, if you go through all the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one private study group, and still do not make your membership fee of $1,225 back here tonight, if you don't make that back at least once after doing those 3 things, not only will I give you your $1,225 back, I'll give you an additional $500 on top for wasting your time. That is how confident I am in our ability to help you succeed, that I'm willing to lose money if you fail. You just have to be willing to give me an effort. You got to be willing to actually put in a little bit of work to do so.
Joe, refresh the page. All right, scroll down to the bottom. Does it say 500? There you go.
There it is, folks. So now it's on the website. So now you guys know you're getting exactly what we're telling you here.
All right.
Okay. So there you have it, folks. That's it. That's it. Coupon code TTG121. Take advantage of that offer, guys. I'm only doing it until midnight tonight. All right. So subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. Make sure that you smash that like button. And then, of course, turn on your notifications. We do this 6 nights a week. Make sure you guys never miss out on any one of these lives. We're always dropping golden nuggets and free lessons and trade analysis that can help you guys make money the next day. All right. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining us here tonight. You guys are the best. I love you all. Enjoy the rest of your evening. And let's see how the new look Rams offense does tonight, if anyone's watching the football game. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Later, guys.